Hello, good morning, students. Yes, today is composition session and our topic is character sketch. We have already done with our topic character sketch. We will once again revise with this topic. How to write a character sketch and about whom do we write a character sketch? Let's have a look. A character sketch can be written about any character in a story. You have heard about so many stories. Yes, the characters may be from the fictional stories. Any character, fiction character, also we can take and we can write a character sketch. Can you tell me any characters about any stories? Yes. Chota Bheem. Very good. Mowgli from Jungle Book. Yes, very adventurous story. And Doraemon. Very good. Next, a famous person in history. When we are talking about a famous person, whom are we talking about? There are so many persons in history. So we can take an character sketch of like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Jhansi Ki Rani. Yes, APJ Abdul Kalam, known as the Missile Man, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Yes, there are so many persons in history. Okay, next, or even of a person you know. Any person in your surroundings, in your life who has influenced you. So you can even write a character sketch of that person whom you admire and whom you like to follow. Yes, it may be even your teacher also. Yes, so character sketch introduces the reader to a particular character while providing a swift means quick and precise, a short overview of all their attributes, of their all their features, qualities. Below are some points that will guide you in writing a character sketch. Number 1, short paragraphs. Yes, when you are writing a character sketch, you have to remember the paragraphs should be short and with important information. Number 2, precise information. You have to give important points and you have to avoid unimportant matter. You don't have to write history. You have to give a list of good points, precise information in the character sketch so as to attract the reader to read and understand about the character. Yes. How to write a character sketch? Let's have a look. Paragraph 1. Name, age, physical appearance, style of dress. Yes, in first paragraph we have to mention the name of the personality, his age, place of birth, his physical appearance and style of dressing. Paragraph 2. You will write about family background, home, how was his upbringing and amongst whom did he love to be in his childhood. So something about his friends. In paragraph 3, character traits. We are talking about the qualities, features that we are well aware of and because of which we are influenced and we love to read more about that personality. Yes. Next paragraph, paragraph 4. likes and dislikes of the character. Paragraph 5. In the last paragraph, you have to mention what his qualities have influenced you, what values he had in his life, how was his behavior, how are you admiring, what good qualities are you going to get and learn from that character. So in that concluding paragraph we have to add that. Yes, today we are going to write a character sketch of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji, as we all call him as father of the nation. Yes, this is the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. What does he say? A nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. Yes, let's start with our character sketch of Mahatma Gandhi. On your left hand side you have to write the question, and on your right hand side you will write the character sketch. Father of India, Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Kathiawar, India. His real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Young Gandhi was a shy, unremarkable student and very timid in nature. So he was a very shy type of a person and not very close to his friends. Gandhiji's father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. He served as a chief minister in Porbandar and other states in Western India. His mother, Putlibai, was a deeply religious woman. Gandhi was deeply influenced by his mother, an extremely pious lady who would not think of taking her meals without her daily prayers. Yes, isn't it? Even we also pray to God before having our meals. Yes, children, right? Yes. The three main qualities that define Gandhi as a hero are his strong leadership, simplicity, and bravery. Yes, the main three qualities were leadership, simplicity, and bravery. Leadership was one of Gandhi's heroic qualities. One way he demonstrated leadership was by encouraging people in his village to start using homespun clothing. Homespun was one of Gandhi's favorite hobby. Yes, with his leadership qualities and his hobby of homespun, he inspired others in the village, and thus the people of village also started using homespun clothing, as well as they started to supply this homespun material to other villages, and in a way the economy started growing and they also started earning for themselves. Yes, Gandhiji was the leader of India's non-violent freedom movement against the British rule. He believed in the policy of ahimsa, that is the policy of non-violence. Gandhiji was the leader of India's non-violent freedom movement against the British rule. He believed in the policy of ahimsa, that is the policy of non-violence. Okay, so here we come to the end of the character sketch of such great soul and an inspiring personality. Yes, Gandhiji believed in the values such as sincerity, equality, unity, and honesty. Yes, let us also try to inculcate these values in our life and follow the path of non-violence. As a revision, I would like you to pick up any one personality and write down the character sketch as a revision in your rough book. At least try to write few points so that you will be able to understand how to write. Yes. Bye. See you in the next session. Thank you and have a great day.